In this tutorial, I want to show you how you can leverage Copilot's AI app skills to better summarize and analyze your data in Excel with ease. So Excel has Copilot, which is just basically their version of AI, which is in Excel in the Home tab in the far right. And their app skills are really cool because you can use it to summarize and analyze the data that's in your spreadsheet. You can go to it by clicking on the down arrow for Copilot and clicking on App Skills. And here you really kind of have to mess around with it to do exactly what we want it to do, but there are a lot of really cool things that it can do. For example, it can suggest a formula column, summarize using pivot table or charts, gives unique insights with Patron, highlight all cells with, for example, incomplete data in red, or hide some values based on the criteria. In this example, I want to highlight cells with highlight all cells, and note you kind of have to type in these specific criteria. Cells with a winning number that has a digit of 7. So all the cells in column B. Note you have to be specific as possible, so make sure that Copilot is looking at the exact right thing. And I had a typo in column, but I go through here to try to highlight the cells where there is a winning number of 7. As you can see it's thinking here, it's understanding your data, quote unquote, almost there. It might have a follow-up question, and as you can see, looking at this, it can apply conditional formatting to the fill color, or it can use is number search, and you can click on apply to go ahead and apply these settings. Note this would have been better if it had been even more specific. For example, suggestion a specific color. And you see it made the changes where it found the digit 7 in the data itself. And you can even make suggestions. For example, change the highlight color to be red. And it should apply this change accordingly. You can even have us write formulas to summarize data. And now you see the highlight color is now in red. Make a pivot table showing the draw date into multiplier. One thing to note is that for this to work, autosave has to be on. But if your autosave is not turned on, then the Copilot feature will not work in Excel. And also, Microsoft kind of has a certain balance of AI features that you can really use. But as you can see, it says analyze the data, and here's what I found for the pivot table. And you can click on add to new sheet, and it will go through and add the pivot table. And if you don't like it, you can click on undo, or go back to data, and the pivot table will be unmade, for example. And as you can see, it even gives suggestions that you can use to kind of get to the next question of your data even faster. So which draws rate for numbers? For this, we're giving deeper, using advanced analysis mode. Just click on this and see what it does. The analysis for that, here's what I can do. And you can even start advanced analysis to even get deeper into your data. But honestly, I really haven't dug into this, but it's something that you can use to really just take your data to another level. That's it. I hope you found this tutorial to be helpful. If you did, like, subscribe, comment. Thank you for watching. Hope you have a great day. As you can see, I've just kind of started clicking around on the advanced analysis feature. It is going through, really showing me the analysis.